How to add admins to your Facebook page. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to add an admin to your Facebook page. This is a great way to help running your page, especially if you have a large following or if you want to delegate tasks to others. Why is it essential to add admins to your Facebook page? There are a few reasons why is it essential to add admins to your Facebook page. First is to get help running your page, and if you have a large following or if you want to delegate tasks to others, adding admins is a great way to get the help you need. Admins can help you with everything from posting content to responding to comments to managing ads. The second would be to have a backup plan. If you are the only one admin of your Facebook page and something happens to your account, your page could be lost. Adding admins ensures that there is always someone who can access and manage your page even if something happens to you. And lastly is to improve your security. Adding admins can help to improve the security of your Facebook page. If you have multiple admins, it is more difficult for someone to hack into your page or take control of it. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Facebook page. Just go to the settings tab, click the logo, and then go to settings, and then click for new page experience, and then here you can see people with Facebook access, and these people can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook or by using other tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. So in here we will going to add our admin, and you can choose if you want them to have a Facebook access or just a task access. In task access, these people can switch into page on Facebook, but they can manage a specific task using other tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. And in this case, I'm going to choose to have a Facebook access depending on your needs or depending on your coworkers. So let's click add new. And then Facebook access means you can switch into the page managed and directly on Facebook, or any actions you take this page, including when you check into location, may be visible to anyone else who manage it. Anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience, including news feed and notifications for this page. Then let's click next, and then you're going to search the name or email of the person you want to have an access of this page. For example, I'm going to add, for example, this is just an example, James LeBron or LeBron James. If this is the right account, just click it and they will have an access, and they can manage the content, create, manage, or delete posts, stories, and more onto the page. They can also respond to messages and calls. Community activity, they can review and respond to comments, remove unwanted comments, and report activity. They can also create an ad, or they can also see the performance or insights of your page. And then you can choose if you want them to have a full control of the page, but take note that anyone with full control can give access to others. Remove anyone from this page, including you yourself. They can remove you from this page or they can delete the page, so I'm not allowing that. So just click, so give access to the person whom you really trust, and if you're already satisfied with the settings, you can just click it, and after clicking this, they will be added here. And that is it. You've now added an admin to your Facebook page, and you can add admins to your page. And then the new admin will receive a notification and will need to accept your invitation, and once they have accepted, they'll be able to help you and manage your page and keep it running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time.